we will go sa... We'll try to go to the new park. Home? Let's go home? I think you need to ride the taxi na lang. No, you need to ride the taxi.
I don't have money.
I will give the taxi a money, okay? While the three of us will go to the park and you
You go.
will go to the... I will go home, okay? Arag ko. My God.
I know how to drive.
You know how to drive? Okay.
Can I drive?
You sure? Later, okay? When we go home. Okay, drive. Medyo masakit yung tuhod ko kasi na-injectionan. We're here already at the park. I think you need to bring this one. At least we have something to sit there. Not sure.
It's a field.
Yeah, it's a field. But if we get tired, let's go. Not sure where's the entrance. So the entrance is there. Malaking park to. Tapos dati, this is a golf course. Kaso lang may mga bad reviews din. Gawa ng hindi pwedeng maglaro ng soccer, mga bata, frisbee, just notice in the comment section sa Google Map. Bawal aso, bawal lumangoy. What's that, kuya? Bawal videoke, bawal content, bawal golf. Ayan o. There. Ayan yung mga bawal. Kaohsiung Green Park. Let's go. They're really maintaining the grass because there are a lot of, trucks. You wanna go down there? Go there? Ha? Dito? My God. We have go around here. There's there's a shortcut there. Gusto niyo doon, no, mami? Naman natin doon. Oh, look, oh. There. Saan? Okay. Where to post? Yan, no. Okay. Yeah. Pwede kayo ditong maglatag ng picnic mat. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Just gonna play there in the sand. Okay, you play na. But use your hands. Oh, we never thought that. Because you have a toys there, right? In the car? Okay, you can play na. Okay, be careful. Later, wash your hands, okay? Alright.